look around the region, the NRCC remains at level 4, with the National Watch Center at a level 3 for the UN General Assembly and the People Visit. Here in the region, we remain at level 4, as do all of the Region 6 states. As far as the IMATs, Team 1 is here in the region and available. Team 2 is currently on a Thunderbolt in Louisiana, and the third team is in Oklahoma. We have no shelters open in the region, and no significant power outages, meaning less than 700 for all 5 states. In California, just for FYI, the Valley Fire is about 76,000 acres, 75% contained, and the Butte Fire in California is about 71,000 acres and is listed as 77% contained. Here in Texas, the last 24 hours, they had 6 new fires for about 57 acres, and no homes have been destroyed for that. But now we'll turn over to Brittany with the National Weather Service.
All right, thank you. Taking a look at the radar, there's just showers moving across northern New Mexico this morning. No lightning with this activity, and the rest of the region is pretty quiet. Moving on to tropical weather, there is a low pressure off the Carolina coast that's just kind of going to meander west over the next few days. No impact is expected to FEMA Region 6. Then there is also a tropical storm, Ida, out in the central Atlantic that's actually going to remain stationary over the next couple of days, then slowly move northeast. It may strengthen toward the end of the week, but still no impact expected to FEMA Region 6. And taking a look at the severe weather outlook for today, just general thunderstorms in the forecast for New Mexico and for western Texas and the Panhandle. Nothing really to write home about, just general activity out there. As far as the week ahead goes, we still have a flash flood threat over northeast New Mexico today, and that's going to continue to move northeast with this system. So the rest of the week looks pretty quiet. If you look at the 5-day precipitation graphic, northeast New Mexico is kind of highlighted with around 1 to 2 inches, and that's mainly going to be rainfall from today. The rest of the week looks fairly dry across the region. Taking a look at the drought monitor that was released last week, there might be a little bit of a change coming up this week when we see the new monitor. We did have some areas in western New Mexico that had 2 to 3 inches yesterday, so we might have a little bit of relief as far as drought goes in that area. And then as far as space weather is concerned, it's pretty quiet this week for the next 3 days. And that's all I've got, unless there's any questions.
Thank you, Brittany. If anyone has any questions for the National Weather Service, please type them in the chat window or speak up if you're on the phone. And it looks like I'll be having to check the burn scar areas in New Mexico as the day goes on. Alright, look around the region. There's the list of the activities going on this week and next week. And keeping with National Preparedness Month, today's trivia is for power outages. Which of the following blackouts left the most people in the dark? Okay. Alright, well, the answer is Brazil, A. There's a satellite photo of Brazil from November 11th, 2009. Alright, last chance for any questions. Or snide comments, I'll take anything. Alright, hearing none and seeing none.